What's really amazing to me is that you come in contact with a person who it just becomes so utterly clear to you that they have harnessed magic. It's just electrifying, illuminating and contagious. Causes that person.
Well, the It's Okay to Be Me campaign was birthed from all of my anguish, my pain, my questions, my doubt, and just my feeling to want to do something different, want to be somebody else in this moment in time. When someone says something disrespectful to you, you don't even respond to it.
That's enough. Look.
It doesn't bother you because you are all these things. You are happy. You are fun. You are loving. You are kin. You, whatever you put on your vision board, you are you. And whatever they say you are, they don't know who you are, so they can't tell you that.
About the community in general is we're all still so very judgmental against each other when we shouldn't be.
Exactly.
We're all the same.
There's a lot of stereotypes in our community, and we do bash against ourselves more than
In
we
general.
should. In general. So how do we expect the world to accept us when we don't even accept ourselves?
The campaign is a great way to do that. It's saying it's okay to be me, but also accepting the other person for saying it's okay to be them. Complimenting them on, hey, I see you doing what you're doing. Congratulations. I sincerely support you.
People can think whatever they want to think about you. The only thing that matters is what you think about yourself. And people say that all the time, and it sounds cliche, but it is the truth. If what I choose to do in my personal life affects you that much where you can even stand and look at me, then my light's shining too bright.
Right.
Period.
As Quaz's mom, I tried to pray it out of him, he said, which I did because I was a Christian. I was like, the Bible says that no. But when I kept going and God kept working with me and he kept showing me, I had a chance to look at my child and say, it's not my choice. What does it do to me for who you lay with, who you love? I wouldn't ask him, are you gay? I said, who are you? But when he finally realized who he was, that's when he came, and that's when he really was a man, and he was like, Mama, I'm a gay man.
Well, I came out to my mom and my sister when I was 19, and that was on a very preliminary basis. Like, I shared with them just enough just to kind of let them know, hey, this is me. I'm attracted to men and women. And it was a very pivotal moment in my life because I did it on an impulse. It was like I wasn't planning it. It just happened. I just did it. I officially came out to everybody at the age of 23 on social media, my friends, my family. Everybody knew at that moment that I was gay.
But you're like a million times gay.
Okay? You know what?
Plus son.
Right, I am gay.
Yes.
Right.
Me too. God adores me, and it's okay to be you.
And it's okay to be you too.
Hug it out.
No, I'm not gay, but I know someone who is. No, I'm not lesbian, but I know someone who is. And God adores you as who you are. God adores me. It's okay to be me. So that's a conversation piece that you can have with somebody. If you are gay, say, yes, I am gay, and I can wear these letters across my chest proudly. Because I know that what I'm doing, I have a purpose, and God is here for a reason. And it says it. God adores me, or else he wouldn't have created you. So release whatever it is that you're in prison to right now today. I want you guys to release it into the universe. If you wrote a word that you're dealing with yourself, let it go up in the universe. Release it.
I just see nothing but love here and greatness here. And that's a beautiful thing. Life is too short. Life has so many things, but one thing that we can all agree on is that it's too short, right? Or maybe just right, depending on how you look at it. But because life is too short, or you don't know when you're gonna go away from it all, why not have more moments like this? Like this, what we just did, what we're doing right now. Like, I love it.
Live your life with an excellent purpose to help someone else be a better them or have a better something.
God adores you.